Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook marrow bones. First, choose quality bones, often cut lengthwise from a trusted source. Gently rinse them under cool water, ensuring any small bone fragments are removed. Then, prepare your bones by seasoning them generously with sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. This simple step truly enhances the natural flavor, making them ready for cooking. Roasting is a classic method that yields perfectly tender marrow. Begin by preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your seasoned bones, with the marrow facing upwards, on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Roast them for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the marrow is visibly bubbling, appears lightly golden, and feels soft when gently poked. This indicates it is beautifully cooked. For a quicker option, broiling works wonderfully. First, adjust your oven rack to about 6 inches below the broiler element. Carefully place the seasoned bones, marrow side up, onto a broiler-safe pan. Broil them for approximately 5 to 8 minutes, staying attentive, as broilers heat very intensely. The marrow should turn a beautiful golden brown and become soft, indicating it is ready to enjoy quickly. Serving your cooked marrow is straightforward and delightful. Gently scoop the warm, luscious marrow onto small, crisp pieces of toasted baguette or your favorite crusty bread. A light sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a welcome burst of green and a touch of herbal freshness. It is best to serve this delicacy immediately, allowing your guests to savor its rich, melt-in-your-mouth texture at its peak warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.